Welcome to this episode. Today we are going to learn how to use bamboo to write calligraphy. We are going to start with the lowercase letters. So these are the tools and materials to use. You have your cutter, then the bamboo is also here, then the ink. The ink, in Ghana we call it tension violet, but we also have a perfect ink that you can use. Then your cardboard, your white cardboard, can be A4 sheets or any white cardboard is good to go. Make sure you sharpen your bamboo. Make sure you sharpen it into an angle of 45 degrees. So let's start.